The Miitopia game for Nintendo Switch is really fun and addictive. You can create different Miis, different families, and you go on adventures and you'll have to do tasks that they want. You'll have to battle people. You can customize all the characters from their skin color, lips, eye color, hair, clothes, everything. When you go around the different levels, you'll talk to people and they'll give you tasks to do, such as finding people, or in this case, they want you to find people's faces because they were stolen. You form relationships with people on your team, and it really impacts how you fight. Friends can warn each other of impending attacks, and they can also join forces to battle together. You can also choose and edit personality types with each character. You'll bond with the other Miis by hanging out with them and talking to them. The more faces you rescue by battling the monsters, the more items you use, and the more resources you'll gain. You can choose what you want to do in each battle: attack, do skills and magic, or eat snacks. As you win more battles, you'll gain points and your skill levels will increase. This game is really creative and the characters in the game have personality. It's going to keep you entertained. There's no boring with this game.